Yeah, 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 yeah.
Everyone, it's Denise. So today I'll be showing you what's inside of my ref. So come on. So we got here some oranges, some mangoes, and we got here some apples. Let me just get it here. And here, and we have more. We got some grapes, some more grapes in here, and more oranges. The next here, we got a gigantic watermelon. Here, this is a jam bag. And we got here some corn. And some veggies here, which is glow food. And we also got some things up here. We got here some Alaska milk. I guess fresh milk. Yep, it's Alaska. And we got here some water. Here is some cereal, which is a goat food. We got here, let me just close it properly, Hopia. So we got here some red pen and some chicken. And we got here some of milk. Let's put this back. So we got here some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 Chuckies and some Del Monte for seasoned juice drink, more Alaska fresh milk, more water. We got here vitamins, I'm guessing, and Nutella. What is this? I don't know what's that. Got here some cheese squeeze. I really love that. And we didn't use this because we still didn't make some pancakes. Here's some eggs.
Why this egg is white and this one is brown?
Yeah. This one is a
What's
white.
the difference?
This one is like brown and this one is like pinkish or purple. I don't know what color is that. And this one is like white. Oh, I forgot to tell you. We got here some sandwich. Some Hansel biscuits, and we got some noodles in here. Okay, and we also got some delights. It's covered by the fruits. Here we got some meat, fish. Well, that's because it's grow food, which my mom bought because we got an assignment, which is up to
Wait, what is this?
which is up to Friday.
Chocolate?
Yes, we got some chocolate.
Then how about this one? What is this? Shawma?
Guys,
What,
yep,
Bella?
this is my sister. And which is healthy food, which are assignment in health and science, I'm guessing. If you can
Didn't you close the ano na?
So guys, some chocolates, then some fishes and meat.
Okay. That's all.
Yeah.
Thank you, say thank you. Say good.
Goodbye, everyone. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us on TikTok.